Welcome back to another lecture on Fourier transform. So last class we have seen the Parseval identity for Fourier transform and how to prove the statement that we have seen. Now today we will solve one simple but interesting problem using Parseval identity statement. So the problem is this. So using Parseval identity we have to prove that integration from 0 to infinity dt by a square plus t square into b square plus t square equal to pi by 2ab into a plus b. So I have to prove this statement. So how we will do that we have to see. So when the problem is given, so that time we have to see carefully the integral. So in the integral what we have? We have one factor 1 by a square plus t square, another factor is 1 by b square plus t square. So if you remember, already we have seen and we have established this formula in the previous classes. Okay, so if I take the Fourier cosine transform, then we can get the formula. So what we will do, we will take a function f of x, that is e to the power minus ax, and g of x as e to the power minus bx. So if I take this one, so we know that Fourier cosine transform of this f of x, okay, so that we know, that is square root of 2 by pi what, a by a square plus w square, as we are doing with w. Similarly, Fourier cosine transform of this g of x will be what? Square root of 2 by pi b by a square, b square plus w square. This one. Now, if I multiply these two, what we will get? Fc of f into Fc of g of x. Okay, so this equal to this square root of 2 by pi will be 2 times, means 2 by pi. So 2 by pi into ab divided by a square plus w square whole into this b square plus w square, this one. Now how we can use this formula here in the problem, that we have to see. If we compare this, then we will see that here in the problem we have 1 divided by this 2 factor. Okay, so we will do this from this right hand side. What we will do, if I take this, so pi by 2 into ab, then f of c of f, fc of g, if we do, then the right side will be what? 1 divided by a square plus w square b square plus w square, this one. Now this, okay, so what we will do, the problem is this, so 0 to infinity dt, so in place of dt if I write dw, so dw by a square plus w square into b square plus w square, so it will be what? Pi by 2ab integration from 0 to infinity fc of f, then fc of g. Okay, then what it will be? It will be, so dt, so it will be dw. Okay, now this one. Now what Parseval identity says? Parseval identity says that integration from minus infinity to infinity f for the function f and g bar, okay, dw equal to what? Integration from minus infinity to infinity f, that is f of x, and g dx. Okay, so this one, so this we have to use. So if we use this one, so here now what we can do, this f of c we can write is f of g we can write capital G. So we can replace, so this one will be pi by 2ab whole into this 0 to infinity, what we have, f into g, okay, dw. Now f into g is there, so for corresponding function will be what, this is a Fourier transform, that f and g. So what will be the corresponding function? The function will be this, so pi by 2ab into this f into g dx, okay. Now what f and g that we have to see, so 0 to infinity, f is e to the power ax, so we will write e to the power ax means e to the minus ax into e to the power minus bx for g and dx, okay. Now if I simplify, it will be pi by 2ab integration from 0 to infinity e to the power minus a plus b x dx, okay, this one. Now if we solve it, so we will get pi by 2ab and within bracket what, e to the power minus a plus b, okay, divided by a plus b, okay, yes or no, with negative sign from 0 to infinity. Now if we put infinity and 0 value and if we solve, we will get pi by 2ab whole into 0 plus 1 by a plus b, okay. So ultimately we will get pi by 2ab into a plus b, okay. So this we got in terms of if we have w, but the simple way, if we replace the w, okay, for t, what we will get if we replace, so the left side will be this one, 0 to infinity dt by this a square plus d square, a square plus t square into b square plus t square, okay. So this equal to right side here, what we got, pi by same value, pi by 2ab into a plus b. So in this way we can prove. So the Parseval identity is very interesting property which will be applicable in many problems. We'll see further if the identity will come, then how to use and how to solve different problems.